Hi everyone, it's Denise with Wondubar Crafts. I'm so excited because today is Black Friday and I get to pull for 6 winners today. We're going to randomly do it throughout the day. It's pretty early right now. It's, like 7:30, something like that. 7:30 in the morning. So it's pretty early. I've already let the chickens out, the dogs out, fed the dogs, and so I figured I'd come and do one bright and early in the morning and get it done. I don't know what time it's going to post because a lot of times it can take, for 15-minute videos, sometimes they could take me up to an hour. It just depends on how bogged down the internet is today. But what I thought I'd do is put, since there's 6 A through F, I'll just write it here, and then if I pull that name, or pull that, whoever wins, I can write their name down, and then I have it. So we're going to put A, B, oh, come on, C. That way I'm not going, oh, this is A, this is B, this is C. It's just going to be random, whatever I pull out of the bag. Apparently, E and F. Apparently, I don't have any paper bags somewhere. I don't know where I put them. I thought I had some. Okay, we're just going to fold it up. And we're going to pull this first. Then we will pull the name, because I have to use a separate, the program I use for my computer, or for my cameras, these cameras. I don't know, somebody said I had the capability of doing it on the computer, but I haven't figured out how it works, so I use a different program, Omni or something, something like that. I don't know. My son downloaded it for me and showed me how to use it. I guess they use it with their gaming stuff, so. And I can video what's on the computer, so I will use that one. Yep. So I put this one on pause, and then I'll go over and draw, and then come back and write it down on the paper and show you what it was. Well, I'll show you what it was that they're winning before we pull a name. So, alright, so I just got a little Walmart bag, and I'm just going to chuck them all in there. All 6. Alright. A little air in there so it jiggles around. Sorry if this makes a lot of noise. Okay. I'm not looking. Okay, first one, we're going to put our bag over here. First one is for B, prize B. Prize B is the 36-piece art set. I said, only B, so I knew that that was the only thing that went with this. So, it's the acrylic paint set with the really nice case, and it has pencils and some brushes, an eraser, sharpener, a palette, a case, and 26 different acrylic paints in there. So let me pause this one, and we'll go over and randomly pull a name from the video. Okay, so I am back over. You should be able to see the giveaway screen here for the video. And hopefully my computer isn't going to run slow. And I've already opened the tab for their random YouTube comment picker. Okay, so down here we want to copy and then paste that, and then filter our duplicate. Exclude blacklist users. Okay, so there's my 19 of them. Okay, so we got a fairly good selection. So let's see who our winner is going to be for the acrylic paint set, 36 piece. And Susan Hufford is our winner. And she said, how thoughtful of you. Thank you for sharing. And so what I need you to do, Susan Hufford, is below in the description block my email and a link to my Etsy. You can contact me at either at wondubarcrafts@gmail.com or at Wondubar Crafts on Etsy, but I will link those both in the comments below. Please notify me no later than let's say 10 p.m. Central Standard Time and I'll write that down on the little piece of paper on Monday, which is Cyber Monday. That gives you Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday 4 days. So 10 p.m. on the 29th. If you don't contact me, we'll pull for another person for that winner. So let's move back over to the other camera over there. So, okay, so our winner was Susan Hufford, 2 F's. Okay, please contact me by 10 p.m. Central Standard Time on, what day did I say that was? I believe it's the 29th. Okay, and below in the description block there will be a email or a link, my email address or a link to my Etsy so that you can contact me with your mailing address. It must be a U.S. mailing address. Okay, and congratulations, Susan. You're the winner of that 36-piece art set, and we'll randomly draw for another one. Who knows? Here pretty soon. Plenty of hugs, loves, and blessings, guys. I'm so excited. Mwah. Good luck.